Ever thought about how a simple ramp can make your home so much more accessible? Today, I'm exploring how to build a wheelchair ramp that's functional and compliant with the American Disability Act. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or planning to hire a professional, this guide is for you. Building a ramp might seem straightforward, but getting the slope and the landings right is crucial for safety and usability, as you'll see. There's a science to it, and today, I'm breaking it all down for you in this overview video. First things first, let's talk about foundations. You can go with concrete piers for a permanent solution, or if you might want to remove the ramp later, using wooden posts with a concrete deck foot might be your best bet. This way, you can remove the ramp if it's no longer needed. Not all ramps need to be permanent. Now, on to the slope, arguably the most critical part of your ramp. The ADA recommends a slope of 1 to 12, which means for every 12 inches of ramp, you only rise 1 inch. But if you have space, a gentler slope of 1 to 20 is even better, making the ramp easier and safer to use. Landings are often essential, especially if you need to turn a corner. They provide a rest point and make the ramp safer in case the wheelchair gets a bit unruly. And remember, solid landings are a must. They support the weight of the ramps leading to and from them and ensure the ramp remains stable. Using 6x6 support posts gives you the robustness needed for a sturdy ramp. You can notch these posts to support the ramp frame members reliably, which is a game changer for long-term durability. At the bottom of your ramp, avoid letting wood touch the soil directly to prevent sinking and rotting. Use patio slabs, or even better, the thicker foundation slabs, to provide a solid base that won't give way over time. Railings are not just for holding on to. While they need to be strong and well anchored, there's more. Adding a mid-rail between the top and the bottom of the railing can prevent accidents and brings an extra layer of safety. I'm also a big fan of creating a ledge around the edges of the ramp to stop wheelchair wheels or walker legs from slipping off the side. And there you have it. A well-built wheelchair ramp that's sturdy, safe, and up to code. Remember, each ramp is unique, so while these tips are universal, always customize the specifics to fit your home. I hope this guide helps you understand the ins and outs of ramp building. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone who might benefit from it. Got any questions or need more tips? I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching. Build safe and smart.